Once upon a time, there was a hummingbird. But before telling you the story about the hummingbird, I'm gonna tell you who I am. I am time. You're not able to see me because I don't really have a body. But you know that I am existing and I'm living and I'm going fast, fast, fast. And that's something that our hummingbird already know. So let's talk about it. This hummingbird is able to fly around 150 times in a second. So how is he always flying around this tiny house? He's fast, but he had a problem. He never knew that he had a purpose. Why? Because no one told him. His mom wasn't able to take care of him because his time was very short, and she never told him that he had a purpose. So he was just flying and flying and flying. He was flying, but did he really have something to do with his time? Remember, his heart will stop in seconds. And, well, while he was in the house flying around, a toucan came in. Hi, hummingbird. How are you? Well, fine. I've been flying. I don't know what to do. Well, and the toucan said, Hi, hummingbird. Did you know that you are the one in charge of pollination? What is that? Said the hummingbird. Toucan told him, Well, you were created to go inside the flowers. Then you would eat or get benefits from its pollen, and you are in charge of going each flower. As soon as you're doing this for eating, you will creating a life. What? Said the colibri. Am I going to am I going to make life? Said the hummingbird. Toucan told him, Yes, you are the one in charge. Don't forget, you won't have too many times. Well, I'm time, and I know that it's gonna be in short. I'm the time as a narrator, and I'm telling you, you're not gonna have any time. So Toucan left, and he was alone. Toucan left. So Hummingbird started asking him, What on earth I'm here for? They already told me like a purpose. The toucan told me that I am in charge of pollination. I'm going to create a life. It will be sustainable. But I'm really have the power? So toucan came again. Hi, Hummingbird. What are your questions? Well, I know that I came in. I don't have too many time. Well, but how I'm gonna do that? You know, inside of your heart, you were created for it. It's time to go around, to observe, but it's time to take action, Don't be someone that just came in to burn. You have to do a legacy. You would be the one who will make all the pollination of this place. And remember, the power is inside your heart. And he left already. Okay, so in this story, it's again time. Hi, hummingbird, I'm Time. And I have to tell you that you don't have time anymore. Then you have 1 second, and your heart will lose their power. Well, I would tell you that I'm in charge of saying if your time goes for the next step or not. But in this situation, I decide something. I decide that Hummingbird will get another opportunity. Why? Because Toucan is working for me. He's the one who gives the purpose. But if they accept it, if they are if they would give the whole time and they would take action, they would survive. So, you're welcome, Hummingbird. You have a second chance. Thank you so much, said Hummingbird. I know that I have a purpose. I know that I'm gonna take action. But what I know is that I have to take care of my heart, because inside of it, it's gonna be the answer of taking action. Thank you so much, Time. You are welcome, Hummingbird. And then Hummingbird was living around and he had his second chance. Are you gonna take your second chance?